Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make potato salad with carrots. First, select about 2 pounds of firm, medium-sized potatoes. Peel and cut them into 1-inch cubes. Place the cubed potatoes in a large pot, cover with cold water, and add 1 teaspoon of salt. Bring to a boil and cook for about 15 minutes until tender. Drain the potatoes completely and let them cool slightly. Next, let's prepare our carrots and other vegetables. Grate 2 medium carrots. This adds a lovely color and a hint of sweetness. Finely dice about 1/2 cup of celery for that essential crunch. Also, mince 1/4 cup of red onion to provide a mild, savory depth without overpowering the other flavors. These fresh ingredients are key to a delicious salad. Now for the heart of our potato salad, the creamy dressing. In a medium bowl, whisk together 1 cup of good quality mayonnaise and 2 tablespoons of Dijon mustard. Stir in 1 tablespoon of apple cider vinegar for a bright, tangy note. Season with 1/2 teaspoon of salt and 1/4 teaspoon of freshly ground black pepper. Mix until smooth and well combined. Finally, it's time to bring everything together. In a large bowl, gently combine your cooled potatoes, grated carrots, diced celery, and minced red onion. Pour the creamy dressing over the vegetable mixture. Carefully fold everything together until all ingredients are evenly coated. Cover the bowl and refrigerate for at least 2 hours to allow the flavors to meld beautifully. Enjoy your perfect potato salad.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.